Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I got my bag back from Louis Vuitton, Fashion Valley Mall in San Diego. I had the zipper pull fixed for my Louis Vuitton Mini HL from the 80s. It's a mini Speedy. So let's get started and see. I'm very happy to find that it had wrapping. Sorry, that's my watch going off, the timer. I still have to fix that, but let's see how this was fixed. And they used the UPS store, so I got a box. Let's see if I got a dust bag, because I didn't have a dust bag for this bag. Billing. It was only $50 to get this fixed. I got a dust bag. I got a dust bag. And so here's her little tab, and now she is fixed. I don't really care about the curling right here. It's going to happen because of moisture. But yeah, now she's fixed. It was $50 for this little tab. Oh, they redid the metal fittings, because as you can see, old, new. And I don't care about the metal fittings because they're just going to corrode in a few years anyway. And now she is complete. If I knew it was going to be as cheap as 50 bucks, I would have done this years ago. They kept the stuffing inside. Let's see if the old zipper pulls in this. So as you can see, the old zipper pull is about the same. This actually twists like this. But, you know, I'm just glad she's fixed. We'll pop that back in there. So from now on, I'm going to be pulling from here. The old person, whoever had this, or the old owner, pulled from here. You need to pull from the actual metal so that the zipper pull doesn't pop off. Once again, this is a $50 fix for a Louis Vuitton monogram Speedy, the Mini HL series, which is by Henri Louis Vuitton, I believe, Louis Vuitton's son. And if I got that wrong, you know, it's in the book somewhere. But it is Louis Vuitton's actual son who actually had this version made for rich little kids. This is a kiddie bag, but us grown-ups love a mini bag, so this is what people are using today. The modern version is called the Nano. It is bigger than this, but this can carry a lot too. I will do another video on that, an updated version. But anyway, this is my Louis Vuitton Mini HL. Took about 2 weeks, 1 week for me to get it back. They sent me a link, and I paid, because I couldn't pay. You don't pay ahead of time, you pay after they fix it, just to make sure everything goes well. You can either pay on the app, or they send you a link and you pay. But yeah, this is her. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you again later. Bye guys.